Hello everybody, hope everyone is doing well. This is All Things Different again with the Prismacolor Premier Pencil Sharpener. Anyway, I know it's been a while since I made my last video. I will try to come up with something as soon as I think of something. However, I have come across an issue where I have had a difficult time opening the sharpener to dump out the shavings. I know this can be mistaken for what I'm explaining, but you're actually trying to see this dark part. I don't know if you can see, but it's a little bit darker. That's the actual sharpener itself. That separates from the enclosure to dump out the shavings. I've had to get 4 people to try and figure this out, but here's a way we found that is helpful. First, we're going to take this plastic. It's a plastic curve that is kind of wrapped around the sharpener. We're going to pull this, set it aside, and then all that's left is the sharpener itself and the enclosure. What we are going to do is we are going to squeeze, twist, and pull at the same time. Actually, not twist, shake. Wiggle. Squeeze, wiggle, pull at the same time. And that's how you get this part out, especially when this thing is brand new. Just got it today. Then, to put it back together, there are 2 holes in this specific part of the sharpener. That's where the back of the lid, you'll see this little horizontal lip. Don't know if you can see that. You're going to align with these 2 holes. Place it on there, and it should click in place, like so. Now, the last thing you need to do before you can use your sharpener again is you're going to align these divots or these little bumps in here with the 2 holes of your Prismacolor sharpener. And you're going to place it on there. That might not fit. If it doesn't fit the first time, flip it the other way, and that might help. And keep doing that until it fits. That is especially for those of you who may be visually impaired. All right, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. And you can also hit the notification bell as you would like, if you'd like. And I hope you have an amazing day, and Jesus loves you. Bye.